Hi, my name is Oriana Bretschger. I'm the CEO and founder at Aquacycl, and welcome to Wastewater Wednesdays. We are going to talk about the benefits of our micro-aeration unit, and specifically, what can it do for your industrial facility in odor control? Well, the micro-aeration unit is designed to retrofit into any existing tank, whether it's a round tank, square tank, below ground, above ground. If you've got a small hatch to install it, we'll figure out a way to make it happen. What we do is we'll design it for your specific application for the sulfide levels that you're measuring, and we will confirm and measure ourselves. And then what is going to be required to ensure that you're safely by operating with under the limit of sulfide emissions, ideally around 1 ppm or less. The benefits of the technology, it is designed specific to your application, will guarantee sulfide removal down to at least below 5 ppm or 1 ppm or 0.1 ppm, depending on what the starting concentrations are. We've validated that this can happen over a 2-year operating period at an industrial beverage facility in an underground 75,000 gallon tank. We started at 100 parts per million, upwards of measured 150 parts per million, and we've taken it down consistently to 0.1 parts per million over that 2-year period. The other benefit of our technology is that once it's installed, it just keeps doing what it needs to do. We monitor it in real time, so we will install all of the control systems, monitoring systems. We'll get an alert if anything is falling out of spec or if any piece of equipment, might need maintenance. We'll come out, we'll do that service for you, and we'll give you all the data, so you know what your emission levels are in real time at any given point in that tank. In addition, you don't have to add any chemicals. You don't have to add a significant amount of energy. The blowers that we use are quite small, and so it's really not going to increase your energy footprint at all, but it certainly will help alleviate your sulfide issues. We've been very excited to be able to work and solve some of these challenges with our customers, mostly across the food and beverage space, but we've done several installations now, really showing the utility of how these systems can work well. You have to remove sludge only once a year. We'll take care of it. We are ensuring that the sludge content of what we're removing is measured before we dispose, and is always sent to a permitted discharge facility. We'll be the operators for you, so you get 1 year of service built in with an installation, and then we'll continue to monitor as long as you want us to and ensure that you get a safe operating environment at the lowest price. Find out more at aquacycl.com.